This is part 2 of the single scene environment and following on from part 1 on the previous video. And as you see that we created that T-pipe there, and now what we want to do is connect between the end of that pipe to here so we get some form of feedback. And within IronCAD, because we're working within the assembly, we can add in a new part extremely easy. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to zoom down at this point here, and I'm going to add a part onto this existing part. Well, I don't need to go back and then remeasure it again. All I can do is actually go in and select the face and say, let me recreate, and I'm going to extrude that face, and I want it to be 5 millimeters out. I'm just going to say okay. It's a standalone part, it's a new part, and you see there it's got in our tree, it's got the part 7 is created. So it's obviously a bit too wide for the pipe to come through to join up to the other one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on that. I can click on that and move that around. But what I want to do is I want that to have a 6 millimeter diameter hole. So I'm going to snap to the center of that, and I'm going to say I want that to be 6 millimeters. And there we have our new part. Okay, and we're going to call that new pipe. So what we need to do now is we want to connect from there to there. The first thing I need to do is just go and add in a 3D curve. So what I should do is I'm going to add in a connector between there and there. I'm going to use the maximum radius, say OK, and it gives you these connection points. So he's putting radiuses all around there to make it a smooth shape, but you can go and move them around by using the tribal, selecting the individual ones and moving them around. Say OK, there we have our shape and pipe is going to move, which we're going to follow that curve. So now what we need to do is we need to do a sweep, and we're going to do a select part from the scene, which will be this part here. And actually what I should do is I want to select at that point, zoom in there, sorry, there, and I'm just going to project the face on there. I'm going to say OK. It's asking for the sweep curve. I'm just going to specify that, and there you can see that it's actually put the pipe diameter all the way through there, and I just need to say finish, and there we've quickly created that extra piece of pipe work. And we can then go in, if we wanted to just blend that edge, get a nice little blending around there, and just say finish. So we've got that part built very, very quickly, and we're using the existing parts and geometry within our scene to create the extra new part. In part 3, I'll show you how we can then do a loft and then associate the loft to certain faces so that we can then move them around.